To get further information, please refer to the ECP installation guide, specifically Chapter 9.4 Installation of Component Directory on Linux. For installation of component directory on Unix server, it's necessary to have prepared the ECP directory RPM file. Change the directory to the folder where the RPM is located and invoke rpme install command. The installation is finished. Default passwords can be used after the installation, but for security reasons it's recommended to set custom ones. Change the directory to etc ECP directory and run the configure password script. Select the desired form of user and technical passwords, which can be plain, hashed or encrypted. There are several passwords which need to be set. At first for administrator and then for other technical accounts. All the defined passwords will be stored to appropriate configuration files. After that, the application can be started, and that can be done using systemctl start ECP directory command. Status can be verified by systemctl status ECP directory command. Now it's possible to open the graphical user interface via web browser. The URL contains of the HTTPS, your server IP, 8443 port and ECP module at the end. The loading process can take a few seconds. When the page is successfully loaded, it's possible to log in with the defined credentials, for example admin, and set password. After that, it's possible to proceed with the registration process. At first, it's necessary to import a valid certificate file and then to fill out all mandatory information about your component directory. There are fields for component code, network and URL which can be copied from the browser. Following by company information such as the organization, contact person, email and phone. The GDPR disclaimer need to be checked, and then it's possible to submit the request for registration. The component directory will reload its configuration and will be fully operable afterwards. As we can see, the installation and registration have been successful, and it's possible to display the main dashboard with valid certificates. The version of ECP application is 4.8.0. In the Comments tab, we can see one successfully registered component, which is this component directory. In the settings, there are previously filled out company information and local or network certificates. The component directory is prepared for registering of other ECP components.